Hi, welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy with Worship Guitar Resources, and today I'll be going over the preset that I made for I Thank God. This is a blast to play. It's a great song for honing your slide skills, and I always enjoy it when it comes up on the set list. All right, let's get into it. So the signal chain on this one is a deluxe comp with a pretty high threshold. I think I'm even running it at 10 to 1 at minus 45 decibels. That's going into a Diana drive. I know the last video I kept pronouncing it Dyna drive. I apologize if that bothered you. So the Diana drive with the light low overdrive setting, going into an heir apparent also with a low gain setting. And those are going into the matchstick channel 1. I think it might be at like 5.5 on gain. Those three things stacked give me a lot of sustain and kind of makes it real easy to play. That's going into the matchless H30, and it's a dual cab, one mic'd with an SM57, one with an SM7, just to give some width on that signal going into the stereo effects. So that's going into the Elephant Man, and then that's going into the dynamic hall reverb, and then finishing it off with the simple EQ, pushing that holy mid-range. All right, let's hear it. So on the song, I'm only using one snapshot. I use snapshot 1 when I play slide, and then I'll use snapshot 2 if I'm playing rhythm. I'm lucky enough to play at a church that has 2 players, and so sometimes I play the lead part, sometimes I cover the rhythm, and they're both a blast to play. But snapshot 2 covers that rhythm tone really well. And then just for some versatility, snapshot 3 is there for swells if you need them on that song, or if you want to use this patch on a different song. All right, let's get into it. So snapshot 1 with single coils. I'll be covering this with filtertrons and humbuckers after this. All right. And snapshot 2. And snapshot 3. All right, now let's hear it with filtertrons. All right, snapshot 1. All right, and snapshot 2. All right, and snapshot 3. let's hear it with humbuckers. Snapshot 1. Snapshot 2. And snapshot 3. I noticed that the Les Paul and the Telecaster both have more sustain than the Gretsch, but I thought they all sounded good. Definitely usable. The Gretsch is just a little bit more to pull off slide on, just for me. This preset is available in the description box below. Also, there's a free preset down there that uses the same amp. It's a little bit of a different setup, more for just in general use. But you bump up the threshold and do that 10-to-1 on the compression, and you're almost all the way there. So if you want to do that, feel free. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing and hit that like button for good measure. All right, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.